For those of you that have had brake light issues, if you have one that's swapping left and right or turning on and off, you should check out the tinfoil fix. But if you have one where your brakes have entirely gone out and your hazards have gone entirely out, you have nothing for brakes, then there's a pretty decent chance that you have a problem with this particular relay. Now, I've done a previous video where I just swapped this out for another relay, another Dodge Chrysler relay that you can just swap into your Jeep. But if you wanted to go even less expensive, you should be able to crack this open and resolder it, because inside is expected that the reason it fails is just one of the soldering joints goes bad in there. So today, I'm going to open this up and we'll see what's inside. Okay, well, the very first thing I'm going to try is open it up. Look in here, you've got tabs on this side, a tab on this side. I'm going to take some channel locks and squeeze on the very, very edge. And that's opening up the side. And I'm going to punch a screwdriver in there just to hold it open. Okay, that's what I got. So that's holding it open. I'm going to do the same thing to the other side and see if that allows us to just remove the casing. Okay, I've pinched the two sides, put screwdrivers in both sides. Now we're going to open it up. And there's the top. Here's the main piece. It's pretty. Okay, so this is the relay with its cap off. Honestly, most of it looks really good, right? No surprise. Bummer is I love it when I take apart a piece of electronics that isn't working well and there's just like a big burn mark, so it's obvious. But on this one, everything seems to be pretty intact, which I guess is no big surprise considering, you know, if it was cold or hot would vary on if it would actually work or not, or if I hit it I could get it to work a little bit. So it was just on the verge. But if you look at this very last contact right now, there's 9 pins right here, correlates to the 9 pins here. This very last one you can see, let's see if you can make it out. You can see this crack, you can see that the solder is beginning to separate from it. So I think this is the issue here, is that it'd work sometimes and sometimes you'd have absolutely no lights whatsoever because it's losing connection at this place. So if you wanted to fix it, this one, I'd just put a resolder on that connection. I should be ready to go. Okay, so there it is, the resoldered connection.